Kami ay naglalakad dito sa kuweba. Kami ni Franz. Ayan. Ayan. Si Franz yan. So, si Min. Alam mo to, parang Blair Witch Project. So, we are walking. We came from the other side over there. This is a tunnel. It's already dark. So dark in here. Can you light up the ceiling? Uy, ano yun? May paniki kaya doon?
Wala. Ang babaw eh.
Ay, teka, ako na. This is a prehistoric cave, 3000 BC. And we saw some petroglyphs from our ancient ancestors, which only shows that we had our own language and alphabet.
Ako na. Doon ka magtago. CBS reporter, Nin Limin.
This is Nina Limin reporting from the petroglyphs of Angono. This is my mom signing out for an out. Okay.
Yun ang historical recording.